This is one of the most magical places you will see in Peru, Humantay Lake. The adventure begins before dawn, departing from Cusco.
Es privado, el tiempo que ustedes deseen para el desayuno, ¿ok? No tengo por qué apresurarles.
After a few hours on the road, we stop for a good breakfast to recharge, because what comes next is not easy.
We found our place on the branch of an oak tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze.
The hike is challenging, and the altitude is felt with every step, but the scenery keeps pushing you
And
forward.
birds would sing on the banks of a narrow stream. These memories will stay.
And when you
with
finally
me.
reach 4,200 meters above sea level, seeing that turquoise color and the majestic snow-capped mountain makes every step worth it. An unforgettable experience.